Good morning, yeah, good morning, good morning. As you can see over here, I am working. I just started my shift, yeah. It's 11 a.m. right now and it's Sunday. It's Sunday, Sunday. This order was $15 going 3 miles. And I had to shop like 9 items altogether. 9 items altogether. Oopsie, I forgot my water yesterday over here. I didn't take it out. Ooh, it's not cold today. It's not cold at all. I'm sweating. Come on, you need to get up. So you guys, so normally I work from Monday to Friday. If I ever come to work on weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, it's either I want to get something that I want, and I do not want to touch my money, the money that I do not want to touch the money that I worked throughout the whole week. So if I ever want to buy something or get something or save it up, I need to come to work on weekends. So you know we in Christmas season, you guys, holiday season, and your girl is trying to work extra hard to get stuff, you know. So that's why I am here today. I only have few hours to work, and I was like, you know what? Let me go on the road and make extra cash because your girl need money. Your girl needs to buy stuff for my kids. So that's why I'm here, you guys. However I'm gonna make, it's gonna be okay with me because it's extra money. Like, it's extra money for me. So let's go drop this order off. Let's go drop this order off, yeah. Okay, I am here, you guys. Hello. Good. You got it?
I'm not sure. Yeah.
All right, have a good one. So this order was $15 going 7 miles, and I'm only shopping this one. I only took this order because the only one thing that I'm shopping for, and I did not want to waste time waiting for another order because I have few hours to work. So let's go check out, you guys, and go deliver this thing. So let's drive 12 minutes, y'all. 12 minutes. Let's go. So you guys, here's why I love doing shopping more than curbside order. Because when it comes to shopping, you're not wasting your time. I feel like you can do two orders in 1 hour. 2 orders in 1 hour. That's why I love shopping order. But when it comes to curbside order, you can do like 1 order in 1 hour because most of the time we just waste our time sitting in our car waiting for these people to bring out the order. That's how I feel like. That's my opinion. To be honest, I love shopping order more than curbside because like for this one, it's just I just went in and out. Like if I'm shopping like less than 10 items, that's like in and out, you know. Okay, let's say like this. On a curbside order, they tend to give us like, for example, they give me an order 1:30, right? 1:30. They give me a curbside order. If it's not like an ASAP order, the pickup time will be like 1:45. So that's like 15 minutes that I'm just waiting in a car, waiting for that order. 15 minutes, and boom, 1:45 get and I start my order. Then these people, they're gonna make me wait another like 20 minutes, like 15 minutes. So I wasted like altogether, I wasted like 30 minutes just waiting for the order. And think about it, if it was a shopping order, I would shop this, that I would have done shop that order and went to delivery. So I think now you can understand why I love shopping orders more than curbside order. Because shop orders, you move too fast. But curbside order, if it didn't pay you that much, you'll be just wasting your time sitting in a car waiting for that $15 order or $18 order. But if it pays good, like in 40s, okay, let me wait. If it pays good in 30s, okay, I'm good to wait. But under 20 and I'm just wasting my time like that, I would rather do shopping order, to be honest. Yeah, so let's say shopping orders, I can do 2 orders in 1 hour. But curbside order, 1 order in 1 hour. Depending how they was fast to bring your order. But most of the time, I only do one curbside order in 1 hour. So I remember when I first started doing Spark, oh my gosh, I hated shopping orders. If they give me shopping orders, I never took them because I didn't want to shop. But one day I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. So the more I work, the more I get used to the areas and I was like, oh, okay, now you're my favorite. Now you are my favorite. So since then, shopping is my favorite because, especially if you know your Walmart's, like where is A's, where is J's, where is L's, where is G, where is I's, it's easy, much easy because you know everywhere, you know everywhere. When you just see the letters, you go. You go. So that's how easier it is. But if you don't know where is J's, it's a little bit hard because it's gonna be like, okay, where should I go now? Like what? But once you get used to it, it's gonna pay off. Hello, give it to your governor. Huh? Okay. Hello. Okay, you guys, this order here was $14 2 miles. $14 2 miles, and yeah, I'm here right now at the house. About to go drop it. So this order requires signature. Verify ID. I think this one doesn't work. Let me knock. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, yeah, I received $11 and it was 1 mile shopping order. I had to shop for, I think it was 9 items. So I'm done shopping for it right now. I'm on my way going to deliver it. It's only 4 minutes away, y'all. Only 4 minutes away. Okay, yo, I'm back. I don't think I told you guys that I have left. I left, went back home to take care of some stuff, and I stayed there like an hour. Now I'm back and I had to change my clothes and all that. So I'm going to drop an order. This one that I'm going to drop off was $15 shopping order, $15, and I'm going to Mayo. And I had to shop for 9 items. And before this one, I took another order, $11 order, and it was shopping dollars as well. So, yeah, I was on a call, that's why. Oh, shoot. I was on the phone, that's why I didn't let you guys know about the previous order. So, we're back, and I'm only working about 2 hours again, and I'm gonna go home, y'all. So far, so good. Let's go drop off this order. Let's go drop it off. So far, so good. Did you work today? Like Sunday, did you work today? How was it? Is it busy? Is it slow? Like, how is it over there if you worked? Okay. Yeah, here you guys. So you guys, they just gave me this order. Very beautiful order. $16, 1 mile. But when I go check how many items to shop, 33 items. That's a lot for $16. those items over there, it's a lot for $16, you guys. So no, I didn't take it. So let me wait for another one. And they just gave me a curbside order. Beautiful order, you guys. Very beautiful orders. But it's $24 going 4 mile. 4 mile, and I'm only dropping I'm dropping 3 drop off. But guess what? I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take this curbside order because I know over here, like all the parking lot, it's full. Like I'm not even getting a parking spot to park in. So that's why I'm not gonna even take this order, because I know on shoppings they're busy as well. So I'm gonna just wait for shopping order. You see, like everywhere, yo, it's parked. I don't know if this is only Spark people or any other people they're coming to park over here. Like everywhere it's full, you guys. Let me show you. I don't think I can see it. So I just received another order, you guys. $11. It's going 2 mile. I'm only shopping for 8 items. So let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. This is gonna take me less than 10 minutes to shop. Yeah. Less than 10 minutes to shop. Okay, here we go. I'm going second floor, y'all. Second floor. This way. Just received another order, you guys. $27, and it's going 6 mile, and it's a shopping order. Shopping for 19 items, you guys. 19 items, and this is gonna be my last order. Right now it's 4 p.m. so my last order of the day, you guys. So let's go shopping. Okay, y'all, here we are. I'm at the house. I made sure to park as close so I can pick up this. This is mine here. House is only this 3. You guys, I am home. I am home, and I forget that I never ended my Hi
guys.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I never ended my my vlog. So you guys, we made 121 for the day. 121. So this is Skylar and this is Bryson. Say hi.
Hi. Guys, my toy is coming. My mom bought it.
Okay. All right, guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Don't forget
and like the video.
Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to do everything. I love you guys.
And comment. I love Jesus. And my mom bought this my Bobby. And don't forget to comment. I love Jesus. And like, subscribe to my channel. Bye.